Hey everyone, welcome to How To Experts, and in this video, we'll show you how to open a Lloyds bank account online. To begin, open your desktop internet browser. Then, on your search engine of choice, type in Lloyds Bank Current Account. Your first search result should take you directly to the Current Accounts page on the Lloyds Bank website. From there, you'll also have other types of accounts to choose from, each with their own perks and rewards. You can choose the one that suits your needs, but for this video, we're focusing on the classic account. On the next page, scroll down until you see a section that says Apply for a Classic Account Today. Under that, click on this option that lets you apply as a new customer. On the next page, when a prompt appears asking you to scan a QR code with your mobile phone, just click on Continue, since we'll be doing all of this within our web browser. On the Let's Get Started page, you'll be given 3 questions. The first question, are you an existing Lloyds Bank customer? Let's answer that with no. On the second question, have you previously started an application and still need to provide us with proof of ID to complete it? Let's also click no. And for the third question, is this going to be your main account? Let's click yes. After all of that, scroll down and click on Continue. On the About You page, enter your personal information in the required fields. Once done, scroll down and click Continue. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.